Waar is ons?
At the Gabba.
Vertel my, waar is ons?
At the Gabba.
Wie speel?
The Brisbane Lions against the white team.
The white team. Okay. Leon. As jy daar die score kan sien, sal jy sien dat die Brisbane Lions 4 het en die Fremantle het 9. Dis nie 'n baie suksesvolle aand vir die Brisbane Lions nie. Christian, wat sê jy?
I see Robbie Lions.
Rugby play, oh.
Lions.
En hierdie bier kos, hoeveel kos hierdie bier? R70.
And he goes. And
80
he
rand.
kicks.
80 rand vir hierdie bier. 80 rand vir hierdie.
And he goes. And he goes.
En,
50 vir my broer.
waar is hy? Wat doen hy? Kom
He
sien?
kicks to his teammates.
He kicks to his teammate, that's what I do.
They just do it. There's no way we can win.
What's happening? Christian! There you go. Nou sê Daniel, so dit was jou eerste AFL game, man. Like jy dit? Like jy foodie? Ja, like foodie. Mama, hou jy van foodie? Awesome, man. Foodie is awesome.